Alright, so here is the sound suppressor that we have from Mountune. It is directly next to the recirculation diverter valve, whatever. And yeah, so there's a circlip that holds it in. Just pop it out, put this one in, put the circlip back on, put this on here, and that on there. So that's nice and easy. Alright, so you just look in there, and there it is. That is what we are taking out and putting the suppressor in. That was total bullshit. So, I need the light. Fuck. Why can't I ever do this? Anything in one take, really. Okay, so this was awful. What? Awful. Fucking goddamn light. God damn it. Alright, so, now we're just gonna put this on, which is super easy, especially compared to taking that goddamn clip out. So we're just gonna slide this on, and then put this on. Easy. I already dropped it in the under tray. We're going to try this one more time. There we go. Now just the clamp. Alright, so it's on. We are all set. Now we're just going to do some sound testing. So we have the sound suppressor installed, and we have the the recirc valve adjusted a little lower, so we're gonna see how this sounds. Go. Here, the howl is gone, and I think that's about it. Hey Wyatt?
Yeah?
You want to do the thanks for watching thing 6 feet away from me?
Oh yeah, 6 feet apart, you too. Get away. Alright, this is Zach and Wyatt telling you to be safe from the coronavirus, and thanks for watching, and put your mask on. Like that. Whatever. Bye!